HCN 4003, serial number ending in 38, spindle at 1000 RPM, sounds great, 1000 RPM, load 0. HCN 4003, serial number ending in 38, spindle RPM 5000, looks good, sounds good, spindle 5000, load 0. Everything looks fine. HCN 4003, serial number ending in 38, spindle RPM at 10,000. Sounds great, looks great. Verifying 10,000 RPM with a 0% load. HCN 4003, serial number ending in 38, spindle speed at 14,000 RPM. Looks good, sounds great. Coming around for verification. 14,000 RPM. Spindle load 1%. Excellent. HCN 4003, serial number ending in 38. Spindle at max RPM, which is 18,000 RPM. Looks very good, sounds good. Coming around for verification. Spindle 18,000 RPM, and we finally have load showing on the spindle at 4%. That is excellent. HCN 4003, video showing spindle orientation M19. Works perfect. VCN 4003, serial number in 38. We are videoing a tool change. VCN 4003, serial number ending in 38, showing the tool changer mechanism on the back side, magazine movement. This is an HCN 4003, serial number ending in 38, and this is the best we can do on getting a pallet change video. Go ahead. HCN 4000 Mark III, serial number ending in a 38, video of X-axis movement. We have 17 inches of travel back and forth in X. Weight covers are looking good. Everything sounds good. We are at 25% rapid. Now we're increasing to 50% rapid. Still sounds good. And increasing to 100% rapid. Covers sound good, ball screw, thrust bearings, everything sounds. HCN 4000 Mark III, serial number ending in 38, doing a Y-axis movement of 23 inches. We are at a 25% feed rate right now. Increasing our feed rate to 50%. A little more way cover chatter, but as to be expected. Ball screw and thrust bearings sound good. And now we'll increase our rapid up to 100%. Definitely get the Venetian blind effect on the way covers, but nothing's going wrong. Everything's moving good. Ball screw, thrust bearings sound fine. HCN 4000 Mark III, serial number ending in a 38. We're now doing a Z-axis ball screw test. We have 18 inches of travel in the Z-axis, and we are currently at 25% on our rapids. Everything sounds good. We're going to increase to 50% on our rapids. Sounds good. We're going to go to 100% on our rapids. And everything sounds good. No ball screw or thrust bearing noise to be concerned.